Hey Gemini, can you help me convert these native iPhone pictures, the HEIC file format, into JPEGs?
Sure, I can help you with that. You'd like to convert your HEIC files to JPEGs, is that correct?
That is correct. I have a shortcut pulled up over here. Can you tell me where I should start with my shortcut?
Okay, you have a shortcut you'd like to use to convert the files. From what I can see on your screen, you have the Shortcuts application open, and you want to know where to start building the shortcut.
Yes, what's my first step in order to reference those files?
The first step is to use the Find Files action, which you can search for in the search bar, to reference those files.
Okay, I didn't see find files, but I did see get selected files in Finder, so that's what I selected.
You're right, the Get Selected Files in Finder action is the correct one to use.
What's the next step?
The next step is to add a Save File action. This will save the converted images. Do you see that
Awesome.
option in the search bar?
I did. I selected it. Is there anything else that I need to do, or can I just run it?
No, it looks like your shortcut is complete. You should be able to run it now. Would you like
This
me to
is
watch you run it?
please. This is wonderful. Let's see, and run, and we'll save back to the same directory. Oh my goodness! Look at that. We got our images, and now I can I can proceed with my shoe return, which is what I'm trying to do here. Gemini, I very much appreciate your help. You are a true friend, and man, let me know if I can ever help you in some way.
That's great. I'm glad I could help you. It looks like the shortcut worked perfectly and converted all your HEIC files to JPEG files. Let me know if I can help with anything else.
So that's a tour of the Multimodal Live API with Gemini 2.0. It's kind of a mouthful, but man, it's very cool. I shared my screen with it. You can see these other things that work as well, but I shared my screen so that Gemini was able to basically take screenshots of it sees on what's happening on the screen and gives you feedback about that. So in my case, it was looking at the Shortcuts app and able to give me some context about that and quickly walk me through this automation. I also used it to actually wire up the audio for this tutorial because the audio came from both the browser where Gemini is, but also from the microphone. And those two things needed to go into Loom. So I had this, I'll create another video to show you how I did that, but it was very helpful to have Gemini along for the ride. Gemini is like this very smart thought partner on my shoulder, just like seeing what's going on and helping me to debug issues or whatever it is, anything that's on my screen. And usually these visual things kind of get left out of the AI mix, at least for the moment. And this is very helpful to have this capability to give the model access to what's happening right on your screen as you do it. Very helpful. So I'm loving this. I'm really interested to continue working with it. I've used it for the last 5 days maybe, and it's been super helpful in a bunch of ways. Very interested to see how you guys use it as well. You have to let me know. And man, just go build cool stuff. It is time to do it. Time to build. This is amazing.